What's that sound like? Hey guys, welcome to part 3 of the Gold 60. Just working on cutting these axles out. Somebody's gonna come here in a few minutes to get them from me and use them on a 40 build. Got to top off some of the fluids. She didn't have any antifreeze in her, which we're a little concerned about, but we'll see if she takes to it all right. We'll see if it moves here. We're gonna go ahead and fill it up with 10W40. It's a good weight for this motor. It is a little cold, so might not function as is, but we're just filling up the motor literally to clear it out, and we're probably gonna do one more oil change once it's really up and running.
Already sounds a lot better.
She's running. Fresh oil, some coolant. Let's see if we can get her to move. Gotta air up some tires. Gotta put a new tire on her. That front one is flat. I think they're just stuck. What's that sound like?
Dry transfer case.
Ah. Hey guys, exciting news. The gold truck moves. It's been a long time coming, but she does move. She does have a little bit of grinding going on in the axles and transmission and possible transfer case. Not really sure what that's coming from, but we didn't refresh the gear oil or diff oil, so we'll do that, check it out, see what's going on in there. But I ran her for 20 to 30 minutes the other day, and she ran fairly well, but we still have a lot of work to do, and I guess we'll show you that in the next video. I gotta keep cutting on Scabby Gabby.